check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all doing good today. So in this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to manipulate images by doing the text and graphic overlay on a base image. There will be two stages on this process. First is the selection or gathering of all the images needed in the project. Second is the actual text and graphic overlay on an image using the application Adobe Photoshop. How does that sound? Are you all excited? So let us do stage 1. To do this, you must first open your browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, in your browser, key in the name of the place or the local attraction that you want to use in your project. Here, for example, I typed in Mount Mayon, a very majestic scenery in Legazpi, Albay. Okay. In the result page, like this one, click on Images to see more results. Then, click on Tools, and under Usage Rights, select Creative Commons. We are doing this to make sure that we will not be charged of any violation under the copyright law. Notice that the result have lessened, meaning only few images are free for use. Okay, so let's say I select this one. Right click on the image and select Save Image As. Then rename it and place it inside a folder. Okay, so do this process on every image that you will need in the project. Okay, so we have done stage 1. Now, we'll do stage 2. Okay, so first, you open Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so click on File. So click on File and select New. This dialog box will appear. So let us first set this up. In the name, I'll type in Project Mayon. Okay, the clipboard, just leave it on preset. For the size, let us say we want to create an image with the size of a short bond paper. Here, instead of pixels, we will select inches. let us change the width to 11 so that the image orientation will be landscape. Then the height to 8.5. In the resolution, from 72, change this to 100. For color mode, we select RGB. Then in the background, we select white. Okay, so again, type the name. Type the name of the project, set the size, change the resolution, select RGB for color mode, and white as background. Then click OK. So now let us open the image to be used as the base image. Click on File, select Open, and in the folder where we saved our downloaded images, select your base image. Now, notice in the Layer tab, our image is locked. Okay, so in cases like this, before we can do things with this file, we need to unlock this. We need to unlock it. Now, put your cursor in the lock icon and double click on it and click OK in the appearing dialog box. Notice now that the lock icon is now gone, meaning we can now move this image by dragging. So our goal now is to transfer this on the main window. Click on the drag tool, then click and hold on the image, then drag it to the main window. Once the main window appears, release the mouse in the document. Resize the image according to your preference by click and drag action in the edit points. Once done, click on the drag tool and apply. So the base image is now in place. Now let us insert our text. Maybe simply saying or inviting people to go to Mayon. Click on text tool. Then click on the image. A text box will appear and there you can now type in our text. Let's say I type, "Tara sa Mayon, bayan ng Magagayon." This means, "Come to Mayon, land of the beautiful." Then, you can resize, change color. Then you can resize, change color, change the alignment, and others here in the font setting. So for tutorial purposes, this setting is already good for me. Then let's add now our banner. So let's open the file again, click File, select Open, and choose our banner. So now we can see that it is not locked. Therefore, you can drag this to the main window. Now, see, the problem is the image is not transparent. So, let's delete it first, then make it transparent. Click on the layer and on the toolbar, right-click on the erase tool and see if the magic eraser is selected. Then go to your image and click on the areas that you want to delete. The checkered boxes on the back will mean that the image is already transparent. Now let's drag it again on the main window. Resize it a little bit. Click the drag tool and click apply. Next, we insert our Department of Tourism logo. Click File, select Open, and choose the logo. So again, it is not locked. We can drag it now to our main window. Resize it a little bit and drag on the area you want it to be. Then click the drag tool and select apply. So I think this appears good as a promotional for Mount Mayon. Okay, so do you find it easy doing it? I hope you learned a lot. So before I end, I just want to say that in order for you to be good in Photoshop, consistent practice is required. There are a lot of things that you can do with this app. You just need to discover them while practicing. So, this is the basic of text and graphics overlay on an image. I hope you learned a lot. Goodbye and see you on my next video lesson.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.